Watermelon syrup stalls were seen everywhere in the summer, but due to the lockdown caused by the coronavirus, these stalls are now in small numbers and people are taking precautionary measures to avoid eating and drinking in the market. Even during Iftar in Ramadan, people like to drink cold watermelon syrup, and because it is watermelon season nowadays, of course, many people will be tempted to drink watermelon syrup in this heat. Cooling watermelon makes it more delicious to eat. Watermelon can be tasted not only by eating it but also by making syrup. Serve cold watermelon syrup in front of your family in Ramadan for Iftar, and here's a simple recipe. Watermelon syrup. Ingredients: watermelon, black salt, sugar, lemon juice, snow. Synthesis. Cut the watermelon into small pieces, separate the seeds, then put it in the grinder. Now add a little water, black salt, lemon juice and sugar and grind. Then take the syrup out of the grinder and filter it with a muslin cloth so that the pulp and syrup separate. Then put ice cubes in a glass and put syrup on it. Lemons can be added to your liking to add more flavor. Your cold and delicious syrup is ready.